Down. Strategy is a tactical course of action. Strategy is a tactical course of action. TACTICAL. Tactical course of action which is designed to achieve long term goals. Strategy is a tactical course of action which is designed to achieve long term goals. Now see, try to understand in very simple terms. Tactical means what? हम लोग कुछ tactic करते हैं ना. So for example, if you people see, there are games like Olympics and all. So उसमें basically क्या होता है? I mean, people lose a race even by a few seconds, right? So how will you make sure कि you stand apart from others? How will you be the winner? See, same happens in business also, right? There's a lot of competition going on. So what I mean to say here is you'll have to frame a good strategy ताकि आप मार्केट में सर्वाइव कर सको, right? Yeah. The next one, the second one, write down. Strategy consists of strategy consists of what the management strategy consists of what the management decides about strategy consists of what the management decides about future direction and scope of the business. Strategy consists of what the management decides about future direction and scope of the business. Okay. Now see, try to understand इसमें क्या कहा है. See, future direction means what? Future में management को क्या करना है? That is what they are telling you. Like, see, for example, I have always told you long-term planning, right? So, for those of you who were absent yesterday, long-term planning means what? For example, when you were in your 10th grade, so at that time you decide, I want to pursue commerce, I want to pursue science, right? Why do you decide that? ताकि आप long-term planning कर रहे हो, so that future में you might have decided, I want to become a CA, MBA, whatever it is, right? Yeah. And see, ये slide I'm not able to share here, but on the video which is being recorded, it will come. Okay, so don't worry if you have missed out on any point. Yes, and the last point here, it is a game plan of management. Very, very important point. Game plan, GAME, game plan, PLAN of management. Okay, so try to understand this. See, game plan means what? Okay. गेम सिंपली मीन्स से हम लोग गेम खेलते हैं राइट इन आवर डेली लाइफ ऑल्सो सो गेम मीन्स व्हाट like उसमें see again what happens we know there is one winner one loser right so winner कौन होता है one after all you people tell me I always focus functions of management yesterday we had done post call the first P very very important planning right so what I mean to say here is जो हु इज अ विनर हु प्लान्स वेरी वाइजली प्लान बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं राइट यस सो नाउ आई विल शेयर स्टार्ट शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन like what answer we were left with yesterday we are doing it are you able to see the screen please reply please reply yes, no, at least. Okay, thank you so much. So, yes, this is what we were, I think, left out yesterday. Yes. So, if anyone has any doubt, like, see, already 9:40, the lecture is ending. So, please, everyone, if anyone has any doubt, please write in the chat box. Is my voice clear enough? Okay. Okay, thank you so much for replying. We'll start. Nature of strategy. See, this answer is very, very important. Before studying strategic management, it becomes very important to study nature of strategy. First, you have to obviously see. आप अगर if you are learning to play football, तो उसके पहले you know physical जो exercise, you should have a strong body. Yes or no? कोई भी sport हो I mean. So in the same way, if you want to get into the depth of any subject, first you need to understand the basics, right? So yes, the first point is Strategy is a major course of action. See, now I am telling you major course of action. Again, take your example only. If someone wants to do MBA, yeah, someone has decided I want to become a CA. Don't you think it's a very big decision? You are playing with your life, yes or no? Like one move, for example. Like, see, I know many friends who are pursuing CA, but you people tell me, we all know CA के results बहुत कम होते हैं, राइट, सब लोग पास नहीं होने वाले. वॉट इन द सेम वे, सी बिजनेसेस वो लोग क्या रिस्क लेती है, यू नो, लैक्स क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज आर इन्वेस्टेड इन बिजनेस, राइट, एंड जरूरी नहीं है दैट वी विल बी सक्सेसफुल, right? So in the same way, that's what's written here, major course of action matlab major future planning that goes here. Okay. Which an organization relates itself to its environment. This I had clearly told you people yesterday about the environment. I had given an example of educational institutes, right? What I mean is, see, pehle no one knew online lectures were going to happen, but now times have changed, right? So it has become necessary. Okay, so now one more thing I wanted to tell you here is, talking about environment, there is also one more very important aspect that needs to be covered here. Pastel environment, anyone remembers? I think I had covered it in first year. There is a full form, I mean, there's every word in pastel. Can you people try to recollect what it is? Pastel, Pestel. Anyone? Yes, good. Thank you for replying. People have started answering. Yes, political, economical, anyone else? No, it was not ethical, economical, no. Social, good, yes. Technological, right. Jyoti is getting all correct. Simran has also wrote one. Okay. And last ENL, what were those? Last ENL. Anyone? Good. The L1 was for legal, yes. No, E1 was for environment. E is just for environment. So again, for those of you who don't know, I'm repeating it. P stands for political. Like you don't know कौन सी party ruling में आएगी, right? So on the basis of that, decisions लेने पड़ते. The next one, E, economics. So for example, let's take it. A few months back, economic condition was very good. Our economy was booming, right? But after the spread of pandemic, once coronavirus came, the world economy is shrinking. I don't know how many of you are reading news, but if you people know, like currently there are, it is estimated lakhs of jobs are lost all around the world. What I mean to say is, you can imagine how bad the condition of the economy is, right? Yes. The next one, social environment. I mean, you know, the type of society we live in. For example, imagine India, or maybe, you know, just compare you with your parents, how the society, how our values are changing, right? Yes. PEST, technological. Current situation is the best example. Yes or no? Initially, this Zoom, Google Meet, no one was even aware about. Now it has become a necessity, right? Yes, PESTE. See, E for environment. If you remember, I had given you an example, best example of Maharashtra. Like, for example, over here, plastic has been completely banned. What I mean to say here is, those businesses who were relying only on plastic, maybe, for example, and see, plastic, I am talking about not that, you know, plastic, maybe there are two types. For example, in, you know, some factories also a part of plastic is used. I am not talking about that. Normally ये जो polythene plastic bags which we use, I am talking about that. So yes, about that I am talking. So those were banned in Maharashtra, right? So I mean, again, a challenge for businesses, those who run that. And the last one, legal. So see, as we all know, after all, in any country that we stay, we have to oblige to the law, right? Supreme courts, high courts, whatever decisions they take, they are the final ones, right? Yes. So now going back to the nature of strategy, I was talking about environment, particularly the external factors. Okay. You might have studied this. Anyone remembers the difference between internal and external factors? Internal and external. I think you might have studied it in business environment. Okay, so next time I'll show you a slide also in the next lecture. What I just wanted to tell you is internal. See, internal means those factors which can be controlled by the organization. For example, employees है उनका vision, mission statement, all of that. External factors मतलब ये सब जो हमने अभी बात की pestle environment, right? वो किसी के control में नहीं है, right? Otherwise this coronavirus would have never come, right? Yes, right. Government, all of this pestle, yes. The second point, it is the blend of internal and external factors, very important. See, try to understand internal factors are also important. Like yesterday, I clearly told you people like human resources, employees, those who are working in a company, is it necessary that they will always be happy with you? Otherwise, news में आप पढ़ते होगे, there might be so many strikes going on. Employees are on a lockdown. We don't want to work. We won't come to work. Yes or no? So that's what I mean. You know, internal factors के हिसाब से भी we have to do planning, not just external. Right? Yes. इसके बाद जो लिखा है टू मीट अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स दिस इज नथिंग बट SWOT analysis that I had told you, right? Yes. I'm not covering that much in detail because we have already discussed that in the previous sem. Okay. The next one, uh, combination of actions aim to meet a particular condition to solve certain problems. Okay, now see, try to understand. Whenever we do a business, there are many problems that will come up. For example, like just one thing that comes to my mind is, you know, in India especially, there's a lot of problem about taxations. Like ये GST pay करो, sales tax pay करो, income tax, whatever it is. What I mean to say here is, you know, प्रॉब्लम्स कई बार आ जाती है फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम कंपनीज इवन इफ दे आर वेरी गुड you know bribery and all is a very common thing in India, so they are not able to cope up with the problems. Another problems might be, you know, of political parties, right? So yes, so what I mean to say is, you know, you should know how to get out of problems. Kai bar, for example, if there is a firm, for example, you know, technology, they are not able to cope up. I think I had given you a best example of Kodak in the last sem. You remember what happens is, you know, जो कैमरा के रोल्स होते थे, they used to manufacture that, but unfortunately after a few years mobile phones came up, right? So the demand for cameras automatically got down, right? Yes. Yeah, continuing with the point, to achieve a desirable end. See, desirable means what we are expecting. At the end of the day, we have to, you know, give salary to the employees, run our business. हम लोग क्यों? Why are we even here? To make profits, right? Yes. The next point, uh, okay, strategy may involve contradictory action due to environment. Now, see, don't get confused. I think here it's written environment variables. It's nothing but pastel environment only. And see, when you are writing these answers, ऐसा नहीं है कि same textbook में से copy paste. You can write it in your own words. I am totally fine with that. Okay, so yeah. See, environmental with contradictory action. It means nothing but you have to always be ready with plan A, plan B, plan C. Right? That is what is said here. Why? Because if you never know what might come in the future, right? You and see, I given you a simple example of going to the exam hall. But in a company, lakhs, crores of rupees are involved, right? So you want to make sure everything works out well. Yes. Okay. Yes, this is a very good example. See, try to understand. It's written here. A firm is engaged in closing down some of its business, at the same time expanding some. Try to understand. Uh, Okay, let me give you a simple example now. Okay, let's take an example of Amul. I am sure everyone here in the class knows this, right? So, Amul, overall, like the dairy farm, they have lots of products. Mostly, so I'm just giving you an example, okay? So, what I mean to say here is Amul, for example, milk and all, every day it's a necessity, right? We buy. Ajay, you have any doubts? Simran? Okay, yeah. Okay, so we'll continue. If you have any doubts, please type it out in the chat box. So I was giving you the example of Amul. So unka basically they are into milk selling and distributing. So what happened is they also started with chocolates, for example. Now they have realized कि chocolates का business उतना हमारा अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, right? Now you people tell me, chocolates for example, now you people will ask you मैम क्यों अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है business. See, the reason is already, like, I'll still tell you, Amul in chocolates is not doing that great in India. Why? आप अगर देखो, for example, Kit Kat Munch, all this Nestle, Cadbury, ये सब पहले से already business में है. They are into the business of chocolate from quite long. Amul, if you see, अभी अभी आया है currently, right? So what I mean to say here is, कई बार उनका milk का definitely बहुत अच्छा है. So they'll keep on continuing with this business. But chocolate का है, they might consider closing it also. What I mean is ऐसे भी plan करने पड़ते हैं कई बार, right? Same as you. So for example, if you have decided, कि चलो मेरा marketing बहुत अच्छा है, I want to pursue a career in that field. But finance उतना ठीक नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं, I am not comfortable with account. So accordingly you will do your MBA in marketing only. Finance नहीं लोगे. Why? Because you don't like accounts, right? Yes. Okay. Fifth point, strategy is future oriented. Again, as I said, very important. You all know this, right? Future mein where we want to go, where we want to achieve, what we want to achieve. The same is with business, right? Yes. The next point, strategy requires some systems and norms for its efficient adoption. Okay, now see, try to understand system and norms means what. For example, if I want to frame a strategy for my students, let's take it. Now every day I want my students to be the best, that they have to keep on studying this every day. So what is my strategy? I will give home assignments to the students, and every day they have to study for at least 2 to 3 hours. That is what I'm framing a strategy. So now you people tell me, in the same way businesses जो होते हैं, अगर सी मेरी strategy मैं क्यों formulate कर रही हूँ? Why? Because I am a teacher, and when is my success determined? When my students achieve good marks, right? So in the same way, businesses जो है, what would be their strategy? Why are they first of all making a strategy? To earn maximum profits, right? So in the same way, you people tell me, अगर strategy achieve करनी है, first of all, how they will go forward with it? They'll tell, communicate to the employees कि this is what we expect from you. Yes or no? तो उसके लिए कुछ systems place करनी पड़ती है. System मतलब क्या? एक work culture. So for example, we see, organizations working 9 to 5. Right? Why are they doing that? Because उनकी एक system बन गई है. They require employee to work for 8 hours at least, ताकि उनका जो goal है profit का, that is achieved. Right? And the last point, strategy provides overall framework for guiding enterprise thinking and action. Okay. See, overall framework, I'll tell you. Uh, I don't know if you people have heard this word or not. Let me type it out in the chat box. You know what is a blueprint? I think this word will come in research methodology if you have a subject. What is blueprint? Anyone knows? What is blueprint? Yes, tell me. Yeah, Ujjwal, tell me. Yes, I can hear you. Correct, right. That is a very good example Ujjwal has given. Like, see, क्या होता है हम बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं तो you might have seen all the architects and all. They are working with those drawings. एक छोटा मॉडल बनाते हैं. Yes or no? Why are they doing that? Is see, अगर हम छोटी चीज कर रहे हैं technical drawing, what I mean to say is don't relate it only to architecture. So for example, if you people see businesses भी जब हम लोग करते हैं, for example if we want sponsors or investors जो हमारी business में